Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to the evening. This is how it looks right now after dark. It's still very lively. The temperatures are perfect. It's cool. It's great to drink, I would say. It's still lively and very safe. And you have some loud engines here. Let's see how it looks. Let's see how it looks. You can see here, it's evening now, dinner time. I still have to try out this place here. But yeah, you're gonna see how it looks at the bar all the way in the front. And I'm gonna check out the beach, how the beach clubs look. And we'll make ourselves through a few bars. Maybe we'll see some friends. There you get the nails done here. Puppies, the pizzeria here. I think they're very successful. They're always full. Especially evenings sitting outside. Very nice. Especially this weather is great for that. Because in the mid of the summer, it's a little bit tricky, to be honest, because it's a little bit too hot to sit outside. But now, phenomenal. So today I had a nice conversation with François, a member of this channel, and he actually told me he went to the airport, tried to get a Viettel SIM card at the airport. They charged him $30 US. I mean, they tried. $30 US for 30 days. Crazy. And then he declined and just went to the hotel and went then to the place where I always bring him, also to the official Viettel store, where he got it for $18 US for 3 months. 3 months, 18 US, 6 gigabytes a day. That was pretty good. But to be honest, if you are not longer than if you are less than a month, or if you're just some weeks, I would just suggest you getting a eSIM. Just get an eSIM. It's so much more chill. Definitely don't get a SIM card at the airport anymore. $30 US is crazy. It's even if you get any kind of eSIM. I think I have something linked down below. Any kind of eSIM is a better choice. Or you go and get it at the Viettel store. But be aware, sometimes you have to wait there for 30 minutes because it's very busy. Not much going on here. But yeah, I love this view here. Would be even nicer if this building would be done and like very nice lit up. That would be great. Those are still the remaining things from the night market, which was taking place here in this street before. Before they opened up the weird night market that did not work out. Before that, they had a night market here in this street. They closed down the street and tried it, but it did not go that well. I still don't understand how you cannot have a night market in the main tourist area here. Look at this, they're still working. They're still working on this building. I better go to the right. Tam Tin, Tam Tin. There's some kind of event going on here. Oh, look at this. Maybe it's an opening. Ooh, And we are right there. Perfect. I love doing my walks and then I just bump into some openings always. What is that? Grand opening. I still don't know what is opening. Oh, the banh mi place. Oh, it's the banh mi place, yeah. Let's check out this whole area here, how it looks now during nighttime. Are there more places open? It's nice lit up, that's already good. You have pest control over here. This is still a little bit quiet, but lots of people doing photos. Yeah, more photos. There you have a little bit of a seating. Huh. There's a photo station. Ooh. I should try this one. I should give these places a shot, you know. Maybe there is a good place there. Look at this. Sea Royale Lobster Chili Crab Tom Yum. That's interesting. Dommy's Fruit and the beauty clinic. You can get beauty treatments here right in the night market. This is always good, this pizza place here, herbal pizza. To be honest, it looks pretty nice here. The lights and everything. Check this out. I think it is a success. There's still things I'm missing inside to give it more life. But at the end of the day, it kind of looks nice. I also think if they finish whatever building this will be, it's going to be amazing. It's going to be a very hot neighborhood here. And great pavements and pavement structure. I give it an A1. Oh, hold on. There's a little bit of a problem here. But other than that, look at this beautiful pavement. And there's a nice structured parking for motorbikes and cars. Beautiful. Nice and wide. Even. The only problem, a little bit, if I have to say something, I cannot easily cross the street. Other than that, not bad. But yeah, crazy that they're still working. But yeah, I feel like they want to get done. It's good. I really want to see it done. I want to see how it looks when it's done. Beautiful. We're going to take a stroll now. Here we'll see some wild Australians. Oh. As you can see here, the chocolate place is closed. I still don't know what is going on over there. Is this a... What is this building? I just don't understand. It's like a mediocre chocolate place. Or I just don't know anything about chocolate, but the coffee shop is not that good. And I don't know what is upstairs there. That's the Onda Lounge. And then Chong, I like Chong. They have good coffee too, but they have some kind of issues with the plumbing, so they completely redid it. I think it's a little bit dark now, because I don't have the night mode on. Huh. But the streets are very lit up, so it's kind of okay. So this is An Thuong 30 at night. The Shamrock is over here. Ladies getting their feet done and nails. There you can actually exchange money as well. Buck service. Buck service and the wood guy over there. This is a brand new spot. You can wash your clothes and book some tours. Daily Tour Da Nang, domestic foreign tour services. Booking flights, hotel rooms, request tour design, team building, gala dinner event. And you can rent a tourist car and a motorcycle. So pretty much they do everything. If you can pay, hi there man. If you can pay for it, they will do anything. Let me know in the comments, should I next time use the night mode so it's a little bit more lit up? Or is it okay? The view. I hope it's not that shaky. And I still have to try out this taco, guys. I have to try, yeah. Do we see some wild Aussies here? No, not yet. No, they are not there yet. Maybe they are in a different spot. As you can see here, Mia is also opened again completely. They burned down one time when we were in Thailand. It was crazy. I saw the videos over there. That was scary. But yeah, they rebuilt everything. Even better than it was before. Yeah. Let me know in the comments if I should do more evening walks. But you know what? The next time I have to grow up and get out at 11 or 12 to show. I also want to see how it looks. Is it still safe? Are there maniacs out there? We will find out. Look at this. Do you think they're Freilandhühner? Yeah, free-range eggs. I don't know if that means anything. But to be honest, a good friend, his girlfriend is Vietnamese and she only gets organic eggs from a Hoi An farmer directly. And she gave us 10 or 20 and they tasted so much better than the normal ones we buy in the supermarket. I don't know, maybe, dude, I don't know. I don't know what it is, but it tastes better. Maybe I will become a snob and have organic, free-range, pasteurized, or whatever you call it in American English, vegan, hippie eggs. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go for that next time. Look at this. They have so many. Is this Japanese or Korean? I'm not sure. But they have so many interesting snacks here. Japan. It's Japanese. I knew it. I speak everything, you know. And if you fancy Korean ice cream, they have it all. They have so many different Korean ice creams. It's crazy. Mr. Chef's cheesecake. And also they always have some, those I like too. Very good. And jackfruit, I love too. Not sure what I'm getting. They have also very strange Chinese zero sugar drinks. Hold on, I'll show you. If they still have it. I don't think they have it anymore. I usually get this one, but they don't have it anymore. The coconut water, but the organic one with 100% coconut water. They don't have it at the moment. And I don't see the Chinese zero sugar drinks. What is this? I think this is vanilla. Huh. They have so many weird drinks. Look at this. This has 3% alcohol. Passion fruit vodka flavor. That's crazy. Real. Dude, we should make, this is 5% with strawberry sparkling cocktail. Dude, that looks very interesting, guys. And here you have the Reeperbahn Weissbier. You know, Reeperbahn is North German, and Weiss beer is usually a Bavarian beer. Like they don't drink it upstairs in the north like that. So it doesn't make sense at all. This beverage here. It's definitely from a foreigner. Dude, there we go. This is my favorite Chinese zero sugar drink. So it looks like it's not Chinese, but Japanese formula inspired by Japan, but it is made in China through Malaysia. Sorry, I don't know where it was, but it is very good. So this is basically a 7-Eleven here in Da Nang, because we don't have 7-Eleven. We have 7-Eleven in Hanoi and in Ho Chi Minh City. Maybe somewhere else, I have not been yet, but we have full market here. Hi.
Social Sam is
Oh, yeah.
your subscriber.
Oh, thank you so much.
Not a member yet.
Well, maybe it will become. Where are you from?
Canada.
Canada. Okay. So many Canadians are here at the moment. All right. Have a good day, man.
Cold.
I know. So many Canadians here. Okay. Yeah, guys, hold on. I'm gonna finish this video here, and then probably just gonna get a drink. Thank you so much for watching. Check out this video here, and see you in the next one.